Hi, I'm Jess Arce, America's dyslexia expert and CEO of 3D Learning Experts. And October is Dyslexia Awareness Month, and I am busting 31 myths about dyslexia. Today, the myth I'm busting is that if you read to your child every night, they will learn to read. And if they don't learn to read, it's your fault. Unfortunately, so many teachers have said that to so many of us parents of dyslexic kids, and they put the guilt on us about our child not learning how to read. But that's not the case. It is beneficial to read to your child every night. I am not saying that that's not beneficial. And it is an important thing to do. And I read to my 4 children every single night for years. And the way it helps a person with dyslexia is they are hearing vocabulary and grammar that they wouldn't otherwise be exposed to, especially since they struggle with reading. However, because dyslexic people need to be taught differently, just hearing someone read is not the solution and is not going to lead to them being able to read. What leads to a dyslexic person learning to read is an Orton Gillingham based program like we use for our tutoring program. That is what is absolutely necessary in order for them to successfully learn to read. If you want to learn more about our program, please schedule a consultation call with me today.